In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a name change on Coursera. Whether you're looking to correct a minor error or you've had a recent name change, updating your credentials is a simple process. Let's walk through it together. First, head to your Coursera dashboard. Once you've logged in, take a glance towards the top right corner of the page. There, you should notice your profile icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings. This is your go-to area for customizing your account and making personal updates. As you navigate through the settings, keep an eye out for the Name Verification tab. This section is crucial for ensuring that your certificates display the correct name. When you find it, click on it to move forward. This action will open up a form specifically designed for requesting name changes. In the form that appears, go ahead and type in the exact name you wish to have appear on your certificates. It's essential to input your name precisely as you'd like it, because this is how it will show up on all of your completed courses and official documents with Coursera. Double-check for any typos, as accuracy here is key. After entering your preferred name, you'll see a button labeled Submit. When you click this button, your request will be sent in for review. It's worth noting that this process may take some time, as it's essential for Coursera to ensure the integrity of their certificates by verifying changes carefully. Rest assured, though, that your request is being handled diligently. While you're waiting, it's a good idea to regularly check your registered email inbox for any updates from Coursera regarding your request. They might contact you for additional verification if needed, so keeping an eye out for correspondence is always a smart move. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, your new name will soon grace all of your Coursera accomplishments. Remember, updating your information is crucial, not just for personal reasons, but also for maintaining the accuracy and professionalism of your educational achievements. If you encounter any hiccups or require further assistance during this process, Coursera's support team is available to help iron out any issues. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy learning on Coursera.